Hi, I'm Ria,
And I'm Jonathan.
and today we're going to be talking about oceanic climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate change is a result from burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial agriculture releasing CO2 and other heat-trapping gases into our atmosphere. This causes our planet to warm. The oceans were the most impacted by absorbing more than 90% of excess heat and 25% of CO2. This results in harm to our marine ecosystem. As you can see in the picture, the hazardous gases which are released into our atmosphere cause it to warm, which obviously causes ice to melt, resulting in the rise of sea levels.
A once healthy coral reef in 2016 in the picture above is now dead due to coral bleaching and warming ocean temperatures. What is oceanic climate change? Changes in water temperature, sea fermentation, and deoxygenation, prompting changes in the ocean circulation and chemistry rising ocean levels, expanded storm intensity, as well as changes in ocean life.
Because of 1/3 of CO2 which is absorbed by the ocean, acidification is about 30 times higher than the average ocean pH. That's a 25% increase in acidity. Higher acidity damaged many ocean species which use calcium carbonate, as well as the whole ecosystem, such as coral reefs. Acidification reduces the amount of sulfur flowing out of the ocean into the atmosphere, which causes even more heating.
The constant movement of carbon through Earth's natural systems is known as the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle is vital to life on Earth. Nature tends to keep carbon levels balanced, meaning the amount of carbon released from the reservoirs is equal to the amount that is absorbed. Maintaining carbon balance allows the planet to remain hospitable for life. Scientific evidence shows that human activity, such as burning fossil fuels, has upset this balance, resulting in climate change. The impacts of climate crisis are interconnected. As an example, we can look at the effects on oceans and coastal areas. Rising atmospheric concentrations of carbon dioxide are causing the oceans to absorb more of the gas and become more acidic. This rising acidity has significant impacts on coastal and marine ecosystems. Meanwhile, coastal areas are experiencing sea level rise, a warmer ocean temperatures in turn. These changes affect precipitation levels and the frequency and intensity of storms. If water temperatures are warm enough, generally more than 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and atmospheric conditions are supportive with moisture and uniform winds, a tropical system can evolve. This means as humans continue to release planet-warming greenhouse gases and more heat energy is available, there is a higher potential for tropical cyclones to develop.
If we don't act now, there will be an increase in flood risks. Climate change increases the risk of more frequent rainfalls and other precipitation. The Arctic is warming up much faster than anywhere else. In other words, the Arctic ice decreases every summer. This can eventually result in the Arctic being ice-free.
What will happen if we don't act now to fight to reduce the climate change? 80% of the air we breathe comes from the ocean. Without vehement efforts to calm carbon emissions, the ocean will continually absorb more carbon that will lower the pH in ocean waters, causing it to become more acidic and kill off marine species and coral reefs. While ocean temps get warmer, Arctic ice continues to melt, causing ocean sea levels to rise and engulf marine ecosystems. Cyclones will develop as a cause of rising ocean temps, resulting in more hurricanes. It is our responsibility to plant the tree that we will not live to see yield fruit. With efforts on the global scale to reduce carbon emissions, we can not only show that we care about the earth, but indeed we are invested in the future for those that come after us. Thank you.